What's up, guys? Everyone is doing well. In this video I'm going to be going over some pretty quick updates for Bitcoin. Today was the CPI data release for last month, and as soon as I was looking into it, it hit about 7:30 Central Standard Time. It came out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we were actually on this white candle right here, the one that has this big wick towards the upside. It hit about 7:30 a.m. So I started looking up just to see what it is and whatnot. And right at the time, I ended up finding out that it came back at around 8.5%, which 8.4% was projected. And you'll be seeing a tweet I put up of that right now on the screen. But outside of that, yeah, I was looking at this right here, and notifications started going off that Bitcoin was breaking through 18.2 as soon as it hit like 7:30, 7:31, and then so far we've gone as low as around 18.1. Yesterday I was saying here, updating this, we were about right here sometime in my video yesterday. We were seeing this nice consolidation towards the upside. I was saying hopefully it could have been held, but I was pointing out right here, if you could see again, I'll point it out right here. If you look at the 30-minute on the stock RSI, take a look right here, you're seeing kind of the same formation as we got towards the top. And then we got, instead of getting more like a gradual slow downside like I mentioned, we did get we got a quick drop off, which those are usually either what you'll see whenever you kind of see patterns within stock RSI indicators to the price. Typically it'll either drop quickly or do it more gradually, something like this here on the lower time frames. But so far we are pretty much in the lowest danger zone. As I was saying, around 18.2 is our current lowest, well, not right now anymore, but it was our lowest local low yesterday. Here on the hourly, we'd have met this current, more of this micro downtrend we've been seeing so far. We lost this zone here, right here. I was hoping we could have held yesterday. We are pretty much meeting the requirements of this fractal, just kind of this, pretty much seeing more gradual downside within this smaller downtrend we've seen so far from being rejected around 25,000. We didn't, perhaps we'll end up getting the sideways consolidation more right around in this area. But this is just an approximate area. So far we are meeting that right now. But as I was saying, we are in pretty much the danger zone right now with respect to this local low. This is what I was speaking about right here at around 18.2 to 18.4, I guess down 18,000 just about. So far we have wicked lower than that. We've closed the lowest as low as, technically I haven't closed this candle yet, it'll close in about 2 hours, but I'm assuming we'll probably close probably lower than this. We are breaking through again this more the smaller downtrend we've been seeing since we got rejected right here around 20,000. But all in all, here on the 12-hour, again, this trend line that's at around 18.2 is with respect to the two bottoms we have set so far. So right here at this 817.5 wick, and then right here at this other lowest wick we've set. And again, as I say, right now we're breaking through it. We could possibly find some support along connecting with this trend line. So from this wick right here to this wick, pretty much representing two of the three lowest wicks we've seen so far, which the third one would be this one right here that we are currently on. That's where we're wicking to right now. So we could find support right here with respect to this wick, maybe find some candles closing along this general area, range that encompasses right here. But as I was saying, we are pretty much confirmed breaking through 19,000, which I said yesterday didn't necessarily needed to see for the best case scenario. Right now we just need to hold 18,000. And again, as I said, if we break 18,000, likely we will probably end up setting new lows lower than around 17.5. Again, that takes us to either this red or black path. We either get a quick drop off towards more around the end of this year towards as low as around 12 to 10,000, or around 14 to 16,000 at its lowest, or we'll get a slow, more gradual drop off ending around end of July, or not July, end of January, just early next year, again around the same price, around 12, just 11, 10,000 or so. Or if it wants to not bottom out that low, like I said, 16 to 14,000. So I have taken out the VPR volume profile range with respect to, so I went down right here with respect to the previous parabolic bull market we saw. I went down to around, right here it says 9,784. I don't think price is going to even go this low. As I said yesterday, I haven't seen anybody even entertaining anything lower than 10,000. I did point out that there is a VPR supported 7,000 if the world just wants to go in absolute catastrophe, which is pretty likely at this point. But again, with respect to this VPR, I took it from here all the way out to our current time, all the way up to our highest highs, and our most confluence of some sort of resolution being found, some sort of support or volume demand is right here. In general, as I've been saying, I do think we will hold this range going down to, I mean, as I said, we might see some scare tactic wicks down to like 17,000 or something like that, or maybe back down around 17.5, just that approximate area. Could even wick down like 16.8, 16.5. I mean, we could see just a quick wick down to 16,000. Like, it literally is just a wick, and the candle closes above this black line right here at around 17.3. So, I mean, it just comes down to whether or not we're going to hold this zone and break and make lower lows. Whether or not this month, October, will end up being bullish or bearish in sentiment because of this CPI reporting, something we'll have to come and find out. But all things considered, here on these higher time frames, I do want to point out this: if we do end up breaking down and going lower to as low as, I believe, no lower than 10,000, approximately 10,000, it will end up completing a very nice and elegant harmonic bullish impulse to the downside. Assuming somewhere in this range we'll see our lows. That will likely be the bottom, if I had to guess, again, unless everything just goes in complete catastrophe and everything just dies for whatever reason. But outside of that, again, just need to hold 18,000 for right now. That's about all that I really wanted to go over in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I hope you all have a blessed day.